This week at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on this 2008 Dodge Challenger, and we wanted to show you a few of the repairs from this vehicle. First, let's take a look at the battery. Open the trunk lining to begin. Reach over onto the passenger side for the battery. Release the strap on the back of the battery. Next, loosen the negative terminal clamp. It's 10mm on this clamp. Lift the terminal cable up and off. Then, reach down for the battery bracket. Loosen the 10mm bolt, then lift the bracket up and out. Finally, reach over and loosen the 10mm bolt to the positive terminal clamp. Lift the terminal cable up and off. You can remove the battery. Next, we're going to show you how to remove the fog light on this vehicle. Turn the wheel to begin to get better access. Reach into the wheel well lining. Remove 3 rivets from the lining. Then, pry the lining away from the vehicle. Reach in for the bulb assembly. Turn the assembly and pull it out. Pry back the tab and you can pull the bulb straight out from the connector. Finally, here's how to access the reverse light and remove it. Open the trunk to begin. Turn and release 4 wing nuts from the back of the housing. Remove 2 rivets. Slide these covers off. Reach up and remove 1 T15 Torx bolt from either side of the housing. Then, gently pry up the housing on each side to release it. Pull the housing out and hold it in place. Lower the trunk. Disconnect the connector on the back of the housing. Press the tab and pull the connector out. Then, you can lift the housing out completely. Here's your reverse light assembly. Turn the assembly counterclockwise and pull it out. Here's your bulb. You can remove it by pulling it straight out. If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned later this week and next week where we'll show you how to remove the taillight housings on this model. For more in-depth car repair videos, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.